What is up, everybody? We are back with another trade recap. I didn't end up taking trades today, and there were three setups that I saw that I potentially wanted. But let's go over why I didn't take trades, and then how I feel about not taking any trades. So coming into the day, I kind of had a mixed bias because we were playing out of this 4 hour bullish or bearish gap, and this 4 hour bullish gap. So I really just wanted to see displacement any direction. I had highs and lows marked out in both directions. So off market open, we get. So I had these lows here marked, which were, I believe, London lows or. Uh, these might have been. Yeah, I don't know. I can't remember, but the prominent low here I marked. I think it's London lows or something like that. But I marked it out, and I would have. I almost entered here off market open. I know it's kind of a crazy idea, but I almost entered mid candle right here, and would have went break even around here and TP'd here for 1.83 R there. That was the first idea. I didn't take it just because like on a day where we have, we're kind of bouncing out of both directions. I don't like to enter. Like it's not like ideal to enter within the first minute of market open on the 1 minute candle just because of how easily this could have reversed and wicked me out. So I didn't enter this trade. I liked it though. So then we start getting displacement up, and then we have all these highs up here. These are pre-market highs, and then we've got Asia above and whatever. And so I almost entered again on this displacing candle at 937 because at the moment, if you look at like the 5 minute chart, look at this huge wick and this strong close. I mean, we were moving, and there was no gaps for us to really whatever. So I almost entered this trade here, and I mean, for this trade, it was more of like the stop loss kind of being weird for me. Like, it would have been, even further down here. But I don't know. I didn't really like the way this was looking. I can't really give you a full reason on why. It's just because really it's like we get this big sell off and then we kind of start moving back up slowly. However, I mean, this kind of confirms higher price. I don't know. Just wasn't completely confident in it again with like the way the day was. When it's a super strong draw or whatever, I'm more than happy to take something like that. I just didn't click the trigger, or I just couldn't pull the trigger. And then the one that I wasn't even on the charts to see, which I wouldn't have taken this because this is a negative RR for this high, but then you could have went for like Asia high or whatever up here and banged out. But what I was wanting was, so we got this move up, and then we had this draw right above. I wanted this displacement right here, and I could have entered, I guess, like right here, on this trade if it lets me, and rocked a stop like right here. But I just didn't do it, because that type of displacement after that aggressive of a move back into this 5 minute gap. I mean, I wanted to see stronger displacement, which we did get later, but I was off the charts like right around in here because we just started barcoding. And on a day like today, like I said, like when price is the way it is and we're in between gaps and like the hourly was rejecting these highs and whatever. I mean, the hourly had came up and then wicked way back down, closed bearish, and then we get another huge wick. I mean, look at this wick on this hourly. It's like, not to mention we're in bearish price action. We were on the 4 hour, and now we're just ripping higher. But yeah, I didn't end up getting any trade today, and those were the three that I saw. Actually, I didn't see this one because I wasn't, on the chart. But anyway, that's kind of what I saw to take today. If anyone's on, they might have caught this trade here, entered here, stops here, previous day high or whatever up here. I can't remember what that line is exactly, but yeah, I didn't catch a trade today. And am I upset that I didn't catch a trade? Not really. I mean, I'm kind of frustrated a little because I don't know. It's like there was setups happening today, And it's like we talked about just yesterday on the recap, on the weekly recap. Like I'm working on becoming more predatory. But it's like on a Monday, no news Monday, where we are bouncing out of both sides of the market. More times than not, I feel like price is going to be improbable. And we weren't getting the cleanest delivery today, like on this continuation long, and on this, rejection, we get all these wicks and then the first move was just first minute, first candle dump, and it's like on a day like today where it's a no news Monday, where we've got rejection out of both directions, and it's just I find it more probable to just wait on something that you can be completely convinced in, because otherwise you take a trade in a market like this, then you're just gonna be really hard on yourself, when you take a loss, because you're like, well, I knew because there's a no news Monday. It's like I didn't want to give that kind of start to the week. So anyway, no trades for me today. I hope you guys did well today. But anyway, that's going to be it for today, and I will catch you guys in tomorrow's recap. I'll see you.